flowers and the leaves. So kids, are you excited? So don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. So come on, let's start. Hello kids! So we will proceed to our facts. So kids, are you excited? Me too, I'm also excited. Okay, so number 1. Did you know what is the largest tree in the world? It is the sequoia of North America. It's the largest tree in the world. Sequoias are the largest because they have the thickest trunks. Some are more than 90 meters, 300 feet high, but there are trees that are taller. The largest sequoias and redwoods are very old trees. It takes a long time to grow that big. So kids, do you want additional facts about sequoia? Okay, so did you know that the 3,500-year-old General Sherman tree in the Sequoia National Park in California, the United States, is the largest living thing on the planet? Wow! Also, it measures 83 meters, 272 feet tall, and 11 meters and 36 feet wide. Wow, that's amazing! So the sequoia, it is the biggest tree in this planet. Wow, so amazing! So next, fact number 2. Did you know what is the biggest flower? It is the rafflesia, a plant of Southeast Asia grows the world's largest flower. A single flower can measure 1 meter and 3 feet. Also, across and weight up to 11 kilograms, 25 pounds, and also rafflesia is also one of the worst smelling flowers in the world. It's not good to smell. It is sometimes called the stinking corpse lily. Oh, stinky corpse lily. Elsa, what is this thing? And the last one. Did you know, it's fact number 3. Did you know what is the biggest leaves? The biggest leaves is the water platter. It has the lotus plants which leaves float in ponds and lakes in the Southeast Asia. Similar plants grow such as far away as South America. A single leaf can grow as large as 2 meters, 7 feet across. Wow! So amazing! So now that this big leaf, it goes 7 like that across. And also kids, thank you for watching me, and hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you, God bless.